Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So I have a lot of new people here who are subscribed to my channel, so let me just say in this video that if you are new here, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. All of the product that you see me using in my video tutorials is product that you can purchase with me as your demonstrator by visiting my online Stampin' Up! Store. And I do have direct links to my online store down below in the video description. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I appreciate everyone who subscribes to my channel. Thank you guys so much. So I have a really cute card to share with you today featuring the Dragonfly Garden bundle. So this is the stamp set. I haven't used the stamp set in a while, so I was excited to pull this one back out. So here is the stamp set, really pretty. And then you've got the coordinating punch. So you can get these two together and you save 10% when you get the bundle. And I love our punch bundles because the price point is just perfect. Really great price point for these. So yeah, so this is the Dragonfly bundle that we're going to use today, and I'm so excited to share the card that I'm going to create with you. So these cards are actually welcome cards for the newest team members who joined my Stampin' Up! Team of QuitaBug Stampers. So I'm so excited to send them these cards and their welcome packages. I've got my Pool Party ink pad here, and I'm going to use that to stamp the Dragonfly image. So this, you have two choices. You've got one with a solid body and then one with a white unfilled in body, and I'm doing the solid body for this. So I'm just going to ink this up and stamp it on my white cardstock. Pretty. I love how this image looks. Oh, so pretty. All right, so now we can go ahead and stamp the sentiment. So I've got a piece of vellum cardstock here. This is cut 1.5 inches by 4 1/4 inches. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, so the sentiment for this card actually comes from this stamp set. This is the Stamping Your Way to the Top stamp set. This is a set that is actually only available to demonstrators. And it's really great. It's perfect for if you're welcoming a new team member or you're recognizing an accomplishment for a new team member, all of those things. It's really great. So I'm using this welcome to the team sentiment, but you could obviously recreate this design with any sentiment that you would like. So I decided to stamp in Stays On Jet Black ink on this vellum, just because it would be nice and bold and stand out really well on the vellum. Okay, and dry properly on the vellum. So I'm just going to ink that up, and we are going to stamp that in the center. And it does take quite a while to dry if you just let it air dry. You can always hit it with your heat tool if you want to speed up the process. So there it is. Welcome to the team. Isn't that so pretty? It stamps so nicely. But with the magic of video, voila, dry. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting this card together. Yeah, let's start. We'll punch this out in a minute. So I've got a piece of, this is basic white thick cardstock. So this is cut 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches to make a vertical folding card, which most of you know is my favorite orientation for cards. So we've got that. Okay, then I've got a piece of Flirty Flamingo cardstock, and this is cut 3 7/8 of an inch by 5 1/8 of an inch. And then I'm going to layer on top this pretty piece of designer paper. This comes from the Pattern Party Designer Series paper. So this is like, it's a mega stack of designer paper that you can get for free with your host rewards. So this is cut 3 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches. So it just gives you a very tiny little border of that Flirty Flamingo. So I do have all of the measurements over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below, so you can see all of those over there. And I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue to adhere this, just to make it easy to line up my designer paper with this tiny little border. All right, and then we'll put this on the front of the card. Okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and add this on since this is dry. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue behind some of the letters. If I can get my glue to come out, there we go. I don't know if you guys can hear Malachi. He is down there having a blast with my mom. I don't know what they're doing, but he is laughing and laughing and laughing. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put a little glob right about here. And then I'm gonna do one here and one there. Okay, and you're not going to be able to see those. And then I'll just put this on my card, front, right about there, so you can't even see that glue. Can't even see it. I'll bring it in, see? Can't even see it. But I am gonna put something over it, even though you can't even see it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring in my punch and punch out my stamped dragonfly. Okay, and then I'm going to punch 2 of the small dragonfly that's at the top out of some Pool Party cardstock, and then more liquid glue to add on these little dragonflies. Let me just lift those wings a tiny bit, and now I want this one going this way. Just press him down. Okay. This one, pull up those wings. We'll put him right there. And then for this one, just a couple of dimensionals. And put that one right about there, looks good. And then I'm actually gonna pop a little bit more glue right under here, since this is lifting a little bit. There we go. And then to finish the card, I've got some of these rhinestone jewels here. I'm just gonna add some of these on. So let's put, yeah, I'll just put that there. Oh, that is not where I wanted to press it, but too late. It moved just as I went to push. Okay, so we'll put that there. And then we'll do a few more down here. Okay, all right, and there you have the finished card. I think it's so pretty. Welcome to the team. I'm so excited to send these out. So I've got the Flirty Flamingo background with the Pool Party dragonflies. And then I also did the reverse for the other two. So you've got Pool Party in the background and Flirty Flamingo dragonflies. So can't wait to welcome all of my newest team members with these handmade cards with a nice message on the inside. So thanks so much to everyone who joined our team in the last month. We're excited to have you. If anyone else is interested in joining us, you can find the link down below in the video description. We'd love to welcome you to our team. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget you can find all of the measurements and supplies that I used for this project listed and linked down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post. So I hope that you have enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you all again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.